In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Assalamu alaikum, students. Students, in this lecture, we are going to solve the worksheet of the poem From a Railway Carriage. You know, this poem is about the experience of a railway journey of a boy. So let's start from question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, bridges and dash, hedges and ditches. You have 3 options: huts, houses or palace. So houses is the right option, as you have read in the reading. Number 2, and ever again in the wink of an ear, eye or nose. So option B, eye is the right option. In the wink of an eye, palak jhapakne mein. Okay, number 3, here is a hill and there are river, not lake or ocean. River is the right option. Number 4, Robert Louis was born in 1850. Last one, in this poem, the journey seems imaginary, fake or real. So, it seems real. बिल्कुल ये हकीकी लगता है जो जर्नी जिस तरह से पोइट ने बताई है एंड वो देख रहा है फ्रॉम द विंडो ऑफ द ट्रेन, और जो भी वो सीन्स देख रहा है वो उसको बिल्कुल रियल लग रहे हैं और ऐसे ही बता रहा है. हमें ऐसे महसूस हो रहा है, एक पढ़ने वाले को, रीडर को ये फील हो रहा है कि ये बिल्कुल हकीकत पे मबनी बात है और वो अपना सही में एक अपना सफ़र जो है ट्रेन का वो हमारे साथ शेयर कर रहा है, जिसमें स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन का डिस्कस किया गया है और उसको सिमिली उन्होंने दी है फेरीज के साथ. जिस तरह फेरीज हैं वो फ्लाई करती हैं और विचेस हैं वो जो है उनकी मूवमेंट होती है इतनी स्पीडली, इसी तरह ट्रेन जो है हर चीज़ को पीछे छोड़ते हुए आगे गुजरती जा रही है. Okay, next question number 2, we have fill in the blanks. Number 1, faster than fairies, faster than witches. Okay, this is all about the speed of the train. All through the meadows, the horses and the cattle. Number 3, here is a child who clamber. I told you students what is the meaning of clamber. Clamber means हाथ और पाँव के बल चलना. Okay, and scrambles. Number 4, here is a tramp. Tramp means who is homeless. Okay, avara you can say, who stands and gazes. And the last one we have each a glimpse. Glimpse means aks or झलक. And gone forever. सिर्फ एक झलक आती है किसी चीज की और वो फिर एकदम से हमेशा के लिए आंखों से ओझल हो जाती है या गायब हो जाती है. Now we have question number 3, true or false. Number 1 statement is and charging along like troops in a war. So it's false. Charging means rushing forward, बहुत तेजी से हरकत करना. Number 2, all of the sides of the hill and the plain. So it's a true statement. Number 3, swim as thick as driving rain. यहाँ पे उसने simile यूज की है पोइट ने. As thick as driving rain. Driving rain means तेजी से बरसती हुई बारिश. So this statement is actually false. Number 4, and there is a blue for stringing the daisies. It's a false. Number 5, lumping along with man and lord. काट का जिसका जिक्र किया है और उसने आदमी का भी वजन है ज़्यादा और उसने कुछ लगेज भी है जो उसके ऊपर लोड हुआ है. So it's a true. Last question we have match the columns. column A, column B and column C. Column A, painted stations, whistle by. Correct option in column C, whistle by. Each a glimpse and gone forever. All by himself and gathering brambles. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson, and Robert Louis was a Scottish novelist. Okay, so students, this worksheet has been done, and actually our chapter has been done. So you have to learn it and write it on your notebooks. Okay students, stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.